Welcome back, everybody. In this video, we'll be looking at Take It Racing 2 again. I've managed to do quite a lot of work on it since I last showed it to you. I did all those changes that I was wanting to do. I've now made it so there's circuit racing, drag racing, and the other stuff that I'm wanting to add to the game is now behind a locked thing. And if we go into the circuit racing, we'll have the stock car racing, which is obviously the main event. But what I wanted to show you is that it's all up and running. The only thing I haven't made consistent at this point is the cars. When you buy a car, their artwork isn't optimized for the Game Boy. I've actually bought a Game Boy now, and I've been testing my games on it, and I've kind of, like I said in the other video, I'm redesigning it for it, and I haven't made it so that this artwork here is to the specifications that I want, where it's black on white, and this means that it's hard to read on the Game Boy because this is basically white on just a bit lighter. Obviously, you can change the contrast, but it means that it's messing up other stuff in the scene. So yeah, I will be changing this stuff. That's the main part, I think. Actually, that's the main part. But other than that, the game is in a very good state. I've been testing it and playing it, and I've currently got myself up to 7,000 smackaroos, and I could obviously upgrade my garage. So currently, what you can do in the game is you can take it racing. By it, I mean your car. So if you go in the garage, you can see this is my car currently. I bought this because it's a supercar, and I wanted good engine power. And beyond that, I've been making it so that the races that you do have awards. So if you can see here, we've won this little trophy here, and each different race has a different trophy. So every time you win one, it adds a trophy to it, and it also moves the day forward. I haven't made it so that this calendar does work, but it doesn't. Once it gets past day 28, it stops working. It's just a simple fix to make it so once it goes past, it moves the month-on one, and that's very simple. And I haven't made it so that it unlocks anything. The calendar will be how you unlock, like once you get to 1952 or whatever, it unlocks a whole new set of cars, but that won't be in the demo. It will also unlock other races. So once we get into summer 1950, it will unlock more races. Yeah, and just simple stuff that won't be in the demo, but it will be in the final game. And I'm just making sure that the foundation is very strong for that system, and it is. Currently, if I show you, I'll hide the game, and I'll just show you in here. So before, I would have had it so every single spring, summer, autumn, winter, all the way up, like every year. So 1950 all the way up to 1980, where I wanted the game to end, or 1989 actually. It would have a completely new calendar, which is not very smart because it means I have to fill and bloat the ROM file with artwork. And so instead, I've made it so there are 4 calendar pieces. And if you can see here, the 19 whatever, the 1900, the 00 updates. So it can be from 1950 all the way up to 1989. This highlight thing here that animates, it will go from 1 to 28, and then it will link to the summer. And it's very simple how to do that. And I feel like this, like I talked about in my last video, about how I talked about making it so you can replay the stock or like the championships, so that you can unlock the cups, is a genius idea, which I basically took from Take It Racing 1. And I think it's working way better now. I will be updating the itch page soon. It'll probably be at the end of the week because I'm very close to finishing it. All I have to do is, like I said, do the calendar, and the main thing is update the artwork on the cars to be more contrasting, so that when you play it on the original Game Boy, it is very visible and readable. But other than that, there isn't much to show you guys. I kind of want you guys to play it, so keep an eye out for the demo update. I'll probably make a video on Monday next week, just going over the final changes I made, and obviously if I update it on Sunday, then I can have that video for you guys, and just to tell you that the game is, well, the fresh demo is out. I haven't made a tutorial yet for it, but the game is simpler than it was before, and if anything, more self-explanatory in the way that you just click through menus. And I've tried to de-bloat the game just to keep the ROM size down, keep the simplicity up, and make it so that you're not confused when you're playing. It's easier for me to make more content for it, and it's just a better game. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and please leave a comment on what you think about this game so far. I know some of you have been following it for a long time, and I'm very sorry that I haven't finished the game yet. But others, there's a lot of new subscribers, and I would be interested to hear what you think. So yeah, if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.